Hi, it's George again over at eimports4Less here this morning filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us this morning. What we've got here is a 2017. It's a BMW i3. This is a range extend TERA model, so top of the line with leather interior here, and only 7,000 original miles on it. Let's take a quick walk around. Nothing really to talk about condition wise. Car's got 7,000 miles. It's in excellent shape, looks, drives, smells. It feels just like a 7,000 mile car should. So bright blue color here, dark brown. They always use the mocha leather in these. Take a look at that here in a second. You can see the backup camera. It does have navigation. Show you the driver's side just as clean as the passenger. No issues to talk about. Again, the interior is a mocha brown color. It's become kind of a standard on the i3 TERA model. Let's take a quick look at the interior here. You do a good job with the interior, really spacious for a car this size. You've got a ton of back seat room. See the nice wood trim that they put in there. Really excellent condition overall. Nothing to talk about condition wise. Again, only 7,000 miles, so really shouldn't be anything to talk about. But back seat, really nice space back there. Front seat, really nice room. Again, only 7,000 miles on a 2017, so low mileage vehicle. Fantastic color combo. You can check out all of the details on our website at eimports.com. You'll find a full list of the window sticker, features, everything you'd want to know about the car and more, including a Carfax auto check history report and everything else you'd want to know. You can check that out at eimports.com. If you're interested in owning this one, you want to buy it before somebody beats you to it, give us a call here at the dealership, 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.